I'm at 11905 Shadeland, and we are in the Glenville neighborhood. So roof looking pretty nice. It's a single family home. Sidewalk's a little beat. Driveways, I guess it was brick at some point, and it's got asphalt on it. Aluminum sided, vinyl windows, pretty much everything I've seen. This porch is in good shape. Concrete steps. Gutters look okay, not perfect, but they look okay. This front porch was redecked, I guess. So the flooring's solid, railings are solid. Is that in? Hardwood floors. Got a little mudroom area here in the beginning. Nice big living room, really nice size. Again, like I said, we got vinyl windows. These are even usable. Dining room, and they open it up, so that's a very nice feature. Kitchen, cabinets, missing some pieces here. Head upstairs. Oh, this has got there's a pocket door in there that I'm not gonna mess with. Carpet's shot. It's the big bedroom, and it's big. Closets on both ends. So this is pretty nice. This is the attic. Hot. Clean. See, we got some insulation there. Even the attic windows are vinyl, which is rare. Usually those are some rotten wood windows, but these are vinyl. Another decent sized closet, so kind of nice for an older home. Laundry chute, small bedroom. This goes out on the back porch. And it's just a little bit bigger, but it's got a closet. Bathroom. So we got tile shower, sink, it's okay. Floor's a little messed up, but mostly just paint. Head down to the basement. Basement looks pretty good. So that door goes out to the driveway. Somebody did some waterproofing at some point. So this is plastic sheathing on in front of the brick. And then you can see the concrete's newer along the base. So the water gets down in there, comes over, goes to the sump pump, shoots out of the house. Now it's only in this front. This must have been the problem area. It's only in the front. This, it's one of those clay block basements, so this is going to be very typical. The clay block basements, they want to breathe. No one lets them breathe. They cover it up, and this is what happens every time. Slop sink, area for laundry. Electrical. Looks like it's actually grounded outside, which is kind of crazy. I don't see that too much. And your furnace, hot water tank, both are off the ground, so which is nice. And you got another little half bath down here, which again, that's a big bonus. And that's all I got.